guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in body effects to add in basically like filters to your face or even like your body on CapCut PC. So go to effects, and if you're on video effects, just select it again so you can see the body effects portion of the app. Now they have a lot you can choose from. There's for like your face, like the mood ones, you can select them and they're going to be added like that. And they also have like this like neon doodle one, this face mosaic one, which you can blur their face without having to keyframe. And they also have this to like cover your face, and it does kind of track your mouth as well. But yeah, that is it. You can also add in some effects to like your dancing videos. I think it's pretty cool, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.